Hello everyone, Dominic here. I wanted to make sure that everyone understood that it is important to encourage your friends and family to get involved in XRP Chat if they're interested in XRP at all. Now, there are a lot of people wondering how to get to XRP Chat, where it is, what it's about, and what you can do with it. So I'm just going to put a quick link here to show you, and you can share it with your friends and family, how to get to the XRP chat. Simply come into the link, type in coin. This is Coin Market Cap. You'll see it referred to often as CMC. You'll have folks referred to it, but Coin Market Cap is a place that you can go and you can take a look at cryptocurrencies and see how they're performing, the market cap, the current price, the current volume. And you can see here XRP is sitting at number 3. It's running about 48 cents right now. We're down today, moving down quite sharply. But the volume and the information is here. If you click on this link, XRP, clicking on this will take you into a little bit more detail about this particular coin. And so XRP, not really a coin, I guess you would say, but XRP itself has a lot of detail and information here, get a little more detail in reference to its supply, demand, things of that nature. But if you look closely, there's an option here that says message board. When you come to message board and click on message board, it will bring you into the forums and you can come in and see these details. I love to go to the general discussion and watch and read a little bit about some of the things that are going on, such as integration confirmed. There's some information about what's going on in the world of banking. There'll be a lot of speculation about what people are thinking is happening. There are people that are reading behind the scenes. It's amazing. You'll find individuals have discovered job postings that have mentioned inside of banks and industries that they're hiring someone with new projects with Ripple integration and things of that nature. So it really helps to give insight. So I encourage everyone to kind of share this with your friends and family so they know how to get to this. Once you get here, you can sign up, become an active member of the community, watch, post comments, ask questions. It's very helpful, and hopefully we'll see the active community continue to grow.